Who's leading India's Suture, skin stapler, tender market on GeM? Johnson Johnson secured 8.45 crores. Amkay sold 5.38 lakh units. These are the results of targeting smarter with data. Market leaders, by order value, crores. Johnson Johnson leads with over 8 crores in GeM order value, nearly 2.5 times higher than the next competitor. Market leaders, by quantity sold, in lakhs. Amkay leads with over 5 lakh units sold in GeM healthcare tenders, holding nearly 18% of the overall market share. The market story. High volume not equal to high value. While Amkay sold the most units, value leaders like Johnson Johnson are winning smarter deals. The winners aren't chasing more, they're targeting smarter. Nexizo AI reveals high potential healthcare segments, market gaps. Your brand is missing. Who to target, not just what to bid. Why Nexizo? Real-time GeM data updated daily. AI opportunity mapping, smart tender targeting. Competitor intelligence, know who's winning. Actionable insights, convert data into strategy. Your brand could be next on the leaderboard. Stop guessing, start winning strategically. Book a demo now.